Like us, all the stars in this universe have an age. What happens if the sun explodes? Would all the life on the earth be destroyed? How would our earth be affected by this? This is what. If here, what would happen if the sun explodes? Be with us and you are watching What Happens If the Sun Explodes. The star at the center of our solar system, that super hot ball of plasma that gives us heat and energy and amazing complexes. Well, it is ticking time bomb. The sun is about 10 billion years old, but it's only expected to last about another 5 billion years. After that, the sun will expand, becoming a red giant. Then it will shrink to become a white dwarf, a dying star cooling for several billion years. Of course, we will all be long gone before anything that happens. But still, can you imagine how it would be like to watch the sun explode in front of your eyes? You would be thinking that the solar explosion would be the most magnificent firework show that the world ever seen. But in reality, you likely would not see anything. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth, and it takes 8 minutes for the light from the sun to reach us. For earth to be completely safe from the supernova, we would need to be at least 50 to 100 light years away from the supernova. If the sun were to explode tomorrow, the resulting shockwave would not be strong enough to destroy the whole earth. Only the side which is facing towards the sun would boil away instantly. The lucky side means other half side would experience a rise in temperature and permanent darkness. And without sun mass keeping us in orbit, earth would be likely start floating off in the space, while its remaining inhabitants desperately struggle to stay alive. There is a chance that our planet could move into the orbit of another star that might provide the same light and same heat as like our sun. But by the time that happens, we would all be long gone. If we knew in advance the day that the sun would explode, then by taking our essential resources going down just a few meters below the ground you walk on, the earth is maintaining a temperature of about 17 degrees Celsius. So if we had enough time to prepare, civilization could continue to live by moving undergrounds into a huge network of fortified bunkers. Within a week after the explosion of the surface temperature on the earth would drop minus 18 degrees Celsius. Within a year's temperature would come down about minus 73 degrees Celsius. At this point, the ocean would begin to freeze from the top to bottom. Within 1000 years, the earth's atmosphere would freeze and collapse, leaving anything left on the surface exposed to the cosmic radiation and meteoroid impacts. But hopefully by that point, we would have found ourselves as a new home. The good news is that if the sun were to be explode, and it will eventually happen, it would not happen overnight. When the sun does die, it will be a long, slow and arduous process taking place over billions of years. The sun will get hotter and brighter, and it will start to expand. During this process, it will lose its outer layer to the cosmos, leading to the creation of another stars and planets in the same way. Who knows, maybe new life could form. Can you imagine another Earth, a new humanoid species? It's hard to predict how our galaxy might look billions of years from now, and it's especially hard to imagine our solar system without its great golden anchor that keeps it all together. But one day in the very distant future, the sun will expand, and then it will shrink, perhaps leaving rooms for the new stars to take its place. And if by some miracles happens, humanity still exists at that point, there might be a living. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.